Hi everybody. Today I'm going to make one small experiment and small demonstration and explanation about how we can control one bulb or electronics device through this kind of one transistor. Like I have here one transistor here. You can see this is the transistor I have connected here, and I make one small circuit here. This is just for control the transistor, and I make one I have connected here one switch to make a trigger to the gate of this transistor, or this is the MOSFET, and I have one this bulb here, this 12 volt DC bulb. So I'm going to connect here this bulb here, and finally I have a 12 volt power supply here. You can see this is my bench power supply here. I have given here this 9 to 12 volt. We can operate this circuit. So just now I'm going to explain how can we control the light, or how can we control the voltage of this circuit through one transistor and trigger. So that's I'm going to explain by manually. This time I have connected this valve to my circuit here. So I'm going to press this button manually, and we can see this, the light will be glow up. Finally we can see this, the light is glowing up here slowly because of this transistor is getting switched on. So I will explain you here how we can control this light. The basic principle of control the electrons through the transistor or MOSFET is like a duty cycle. So I'm going to use a duty cycle through this switch. So if any kind of electronic circuit or transistor will be on by continuously, then it's called 100% duty cycle. So you can see here this light is getting glow on highly once I press continuously, but once I make it like a small press, we can see here I am pressing very slowly. So if I make a few seconds, so we can see here this light will be glow little only. So once I make this light high press and low, high press and low stop, and high press and low stop, high press and low stop, means this is a high duty cycle, 90% duty cycle. So once I make a small press and high off, you can see here I'm making short time on and long time off. So you can see this, the light is getting glow on very low light. So this is how electronic circuit are control the fan or light, something like this. So this is what I am doing manually by this giving the signal through the switch. But once we use the electronic circuit or this multi-vibrator or duty cycle PWM circuit, so he will make the multiple time on and off as faster. So he will control this light as a normal light. So we can see here blinking because my pressing on and off is there is a timing delay is different. So once I make this one continuously press, you can see glows, and continuously on and small off only, but we cannot feel it's getting off. So once I make like this continuously, so once we use some PWM circuit, so he will make this as a high resolution, so we cannot feel there is a blinking is there. So you can see again I am repeating. So small on, I am getting very low time on and high time off. So means this is a 10% of duty cycle. Once we make this kind of 10% of duty cycle, our light or fan will be run slowly or low light. So once we make increase the on timing like this, so he will be high light, and once we make the high on and low off, so we can feel the more light. Or once we connect the fan or something like that, we will see the speed of the fan. That is how we can control the light through the duty cycle or pulse width modulation. So next video I will make one pulse width modulation, and I will show you the digitally how this circuit will control this transistor and this bulb. That's everything, and let we meet on next video.